Here Pn value they mentioned, then we should find sigma n is equal to 1 to 25 1 by p to n, right? Pn first we can simplify properly. Pn is equal to, we can write in sigma form, so sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 2 power r by r plus 1 cr we can write, right? Now we have the property in combination, n plus 1 cr plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 by r plus 1 into ncr. Okay, now here in the place of cr we can substitute this is the value we can bring to left side, so r plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 1 cr plus 1 we can substitute here. So r plus 1 cancel, and here r is the only variable, right? So this 1 by n plus 1 we can bring to left side, then Pn is equal to outside of the sigma we can bring actually 1 by n plus 1 sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 2 power r n plus 1 c r plus 1 happened, right? Now this r plus 1 value consider some k is equal to r plus 1, take it. Now when k is equal to r plus 1 taking means when r value 0 k value is 1 only, no? So k value is running from 1 to 1 extra, right? So up to n means n plus 1 we should take. Next minus 2 power in the place of r k minus 1 we should write, and n plus 1 c r plus 1 plus log k, right? Now to make these both minus 2 power and n plus 1 ck here is there, so to make it both are same, we need one more minus 2, so multiply and divide with minus 2. Denominator minus 2 we can keep it left outside of the sigma itself, numerator minus 2 we can take it inside of the sigma, so 1 by minus 2 of n plus 1 sigma k is equal to 1 to n plus 1, it will become minus 2 power k into n plus 1 ck is happened. Then see, now we have actually 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 expansion sigma some k is equal to 0 to up to n plus 1 n plus 1 ck and x power k. It is only, no, actually what is 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 expansion. Next, by using this we can get it this entire value here, then we can substitute. See now, so sigma k is equal to 1 to n plus 1 n plus 1 n plus 1 ck minus 2 power k is equal to what? See what I am doing here, I am substituting in the place of x as minus 2 in this expansion. Okay, in the place of x minus 2 I am substituting, so that we will get here minus 2 power k, and left side is, but here I am taking k is equal to 1 to n plus 1 only, no? That means what, k is equal to 0, if you substitute whatever the result coming, that we can bring to left side. Then what I will observe, 1 minus 2 power n plus 1 as it is, and when you substitute k value 0 here, what happened, n plus 1 c naught 1 only, and x power 0 1 only, that one we can bring to left side, so minus 1. Okay, this is the value we got it. Now that means what, 1 minus 2 means minus 1 whole power n plus 1 minus 1, and this is the value we have to substitute in here. Now what happened, Pn, observe, Pn is equal to 1 by minus 2 of n plus 1 as it is, and this entire value we can substitute what now, minus 1 power n plus 1 minus 1 we can substitute. Now this minus, if you are applying to numerator, what happened, 1 minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by 2 times of n plus 1 is got it. This is Pn, right? Now actually we want 1 by p to n only, no? That's what we have to find properly. So we can substitute every place of n as 2n. Okay, p to n we will get. So what is p to n now? Every place of n to n we have to substitute, so 1 minus 1 power, in the place of n to n substituted means 2n plus 1, exactly odd number. Okay, and here 2 times of 2n plus 1 we will get. Now we can see it is an odd number, no, power is odd means minus 1, power odd means minus 1 we will get, before already minus is there, no, so it will be plus 1, so 2 by 2 times of 2n plus 1 we will get, 2 and 2 is going to cancel, the balance is what now, 1 by 2n plus 1 is the balance. Okay, next, then what about, we want 1 by p to n only, right? So if the reciprocal is 2n plus 1, for that sigma we should apply. So finally sigma n is equal to 1 to 25. Instead of 1 by p to n, I am substituting directly reciprocal of this. That means 2n plus 1. So this is the value finally we should find now. So sigma we can apply 2 times of sigma n is equal to 1 to 25 times of n plus sigma n is equal to 1 to 25 times here 1. Okay. So what is the result we got? It is what now? N is substitute n value 1 to 25, sum of the first 25 natural numbers only. We have the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So 25 into 26 by 2 we will get this part, plus here 1 is there, 1 we should add 25 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 25 times is we will get 25. So this is the one we are going to calculate. So this 2 and this 2 is going to cancel. Now 25 into 26 only, no, we should find. So 25 are actually 625. One more time multiplying 650 we will get actually. Plus 25 is there. So 650 plus 25, 675. So answer is 675, option 4.